Hello guys! Guys, tubani ko ninyo and biyahe na punta going sa Davao de Oro guys, and early tayo for today and para makaabot taog sayo dito. So tara, let's go na. So ang among bus na gisagyan is dili pa kay siya full, no, as of 26 December 26, 2025. And tara na guys. So, nalata dali sa Panabo City Hall guys, no? So, kapit na dito sa ilang terminal guys. So, yan guys, at medyo ni bagal ang bus kay na siya nailibaba no na pasahero. So, tara guys, continue na punta padulong sa terminal nila. So dinhing tapita guys is pasulod na ta sa Panabo Terminal guys, no. So makita nato diri nga medyo daghan-daghan pud og pasahero pabalik, no, or pauli sa Davao. Tanawa ra gud ninyo na oh. So ayan guys, pagawas na punta, no. So ginakat lang nako ang video guys, no, para dili siya mo taas. And then ayan guys, pagawas na ta, no, padulong na ta sa Carmen. Sunod ani nga kuan guys, lugar is Carmen na pud. So guys, andito na tayo sa Carmen, no, Davao del Norte. So yan yung bagong bukas na guys, guys, no. So karap lang siya ng bus terminal ng Carmen. So ayan guys, papasok na tayo ng terminal. So yung Gaisano Grand nila guys, no, doon sa makikita natin is yan yung first mall here in Carmen, Davao del Norte. So ayan na guys, at paalis na tayo at papunta na tayo ng Tagum City. So yan yung tricycle terminal, transport terminal dito guys, no.
told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel
So kung diretsuhin nyo yung ano guys, yung kalye na yan yung makikita nyo, papunta yan siya ng ano ng Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte. And then dito tayo sa street ng tayo kasi papunta tayo ng Tagum City. So yan yung ano ba tawag dito sa statua na yan guys. Basta yan yung ano, yung kung dito ka na sa Carmen, yung parang landmark nila dito no. So patawid na tayo ng ano guys, ano ba tawag dito, yung Tuganay Bridge. Yan. So ito yung Tuganay Bridge guys.
I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me
So yan na guys, nandito na tayo sa Tagum City no. So hindi na tayo naka-video dun sa yun sa entrance talaga guys no, kasi andito tayo nakaupo sa may medyo gitna siya ng bus no. Unlike last year guys no, kasi nagpunta din tayo dito sa Tagum guys no. So chimpo yun guys na walang tao gaano sa front, so doon tayo nakaupo talaga sa front seat. So kaya naman ano kitang-kita. Kaya lang this time is medyo puno siya guys no. Hindi naman ganun puno. May mauupuan naman siya, pero yung sa may ano kasi, yung sa may front talaga is mayroong nakaupo doon eh. So medyo puno yung sa ano eh, yun sa walang bakante, so doon sa medyo parang gitna na ng bus yung medyo bakante. So ayan guys, sana ay ma-enjoy nitong view natin no.
I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
I guess
You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
So finally guys, andito na tayo sa Tagum Terminal guys no. So meron pa itong video nito guys, is meron pa itong part 2. Kaya abangan niyo na lang yung sa susunod natin na part 2 no. So yung part 2 naman is going to ano naman tayo no, dito sa Tagum to going to Nabunturan na naman tayo. So thank you for watching guys.